Growing young is a habit we have inculcated, and admiring the journey is a privilege we all share. On the proud occasion of the 75th Kuvarji Day, let us proudly cherish the student ways and pay our tributes to Sri Kuvarji Bhai. The saga of Kuvarji started way back under undivided India on a quiet day of 2nd September 1945. Sri Kuvarji Bhai was born to a humble family of Sri Rupshi Bhai Thakkar in a small dusty town of Tharpakar. With the partition of India, the family had to migrate to Bhabur, further to Patan, Unja, and finally settle in Ahmedabad for their quest of evolution, growth, and keeping abreast with changing times. His apt learning and grasping skills made him yearn for better exposure, resulting him to study and move to larger towns and cities. At every stage of his career, he innovated systems and processes that were ahead of his times and also consistent to evolution. He adopted use of telephone in his businesses to transmit information to his clientele in a matter of minutes, while competition would take few days to send the same information. The early learnings and apt understanding of the changing times led Sri Kuvarji Bhai adopt to values that would be sown for generations to come. He firmly believed that the core values and ethics should be strong enough to take test of time and dire situations. We proudly say that the organization of Kuvarji is fashioned around these values and philosophy. It is said, God also prefers to have his able advisors near him. The history of Kuvarji is not complete without the mention of this nasty event. Just when the time was ripe to leverage the platform that was ready for excellence, destiny had some other plans. The eventful day on the 8th of February 1993 saw the last of Sri Kuvarji Bhai. The organization was left leaderless without further guidance and direction. The organization had to go through the grind of tough times and opportunity. Who were once loyal to it? Visionary that Sri Kuvarji Bhai was, had already sown the seeds of entrepreneurship in both his sons. Exploring the limited options, Nayan Kuvarji and Chetan Kuvarji took the reins of the organization. Under the able leadership of both the brothers, Kuvarji not only plowed deeper into financial services vertical but also expanded its physical commodity business and added new verticals of warehousing, real estate and wealth advisory. Kuvarji expanded geographically, going national as well as international. Domestic presence was ramped up in more than 20 different states with retail brands and multiple services. Globally, the network spread to more than 15 countries. Affiliations with major banks, exchanges, government and private institutions led to widespread brand building and credit enhancement. Diversification of varied businesses led to multiple growth engines being operational simultaneously and resulting in vertical and geographical spread. Sri Kuvarji Bhai always believed wholesome and inclusive growth was connected to social well-being. Keeping this philosophy as the base, Kuvarji has invested heavily in social bonding activities. Our dedicated team from HR looks actively towards this task. Connected with all and delivering satisfaction leads to successful entrepreneurship and high social fulfillment. Giving back to the society and nurturing young talent was always a firm belief of Sri Kuvarji Bhai. He actively initiated social activities like collecting data and printing the first directory for his community. Use of Khadi his entire life and multiple efforts for young talent to grow. Kuvarji has lived by his ideology and contributes regularly to promote such activities like cow shelters, sponsoring sports talent, community library and much more. Success and recognition is natural and a well-deserved byproduct of the ideology set by our founder. Kuvarji has been recipient of multiple awards and certifications based on the path it follows. This recognition reaffirms our consistent efforts to stay ahead of the curve through par excellence practices. Every member of the family has equal contribution towards achieving these benchmarks. We, as Kuvarjians, are thankful for the vision that was carved way before our time. With every challenge, we are reaffirmed. We are on a path to achieve what we desire and much more. Our aim is high, vision even higher. Long live Kuvarji, long live Kuvarjian spirit.